Food is a voyage that speaks to the soul of the traveler, right at the heart of every culture on Earth. It's the most memorable part of any journey. Silversea is proud to introduce our unique sea and land taste program, S.A.L.T, a vibrant new way to experience local food, tradition, and spirits hands-on. Welcome to our interactive S.A.L.T lab on board. You'll touch, smell, and try out local ingredients and flavors in tastings and sessions with chefs and experts from each destination. Enjoy S.A.L.T Kitchen. We bring you a dining experience where the traditions, recipes, and cultures of your destination are brought right to your table. Join us at S.A.L.T Bar for freshly mixed, locally inspired drinks made with the best local ingredients and spirits. This is S.A.L.T, a unique travel and food experience where we bring the flavors of your destination right to your table. S.A.L.T, Sea and Land Taste by Silversea.